Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on the Shure MV88 Plus microphone kit that I purchased from Amazon. I've been using it for a few months now and I am really excited to share my thoughts with you. So please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump into it. All right, so I'm actually using this as my microphone for this video right now, so I'm going to just turn this to show it to you without talking. So as you can see, it comes with, I'm looking at the specs on Amazon right now so I can give you a very thorough description of it. So Shure MV88 Plus video kit, digital stereo condenser microphone for Apple and Android with Manfrotto Pixie tripod, phone clamp, mount, iOS and USB-C cable, next level compatibility and connectivity. Okay, so it does come with the cable that's like a lightning cable to a USB-C, but it's kind of a short cable. It's like, meh. So I've actually purchased a separate cable that was around like $25 that's much longer so that I can do things like this, like have my iPhone on a tripod and then have this wherever I need it. So that was well worth the money. I will have both the this and the extra cable linked in the description if you would like to check it out. Highly worth it, in my humble opinion. So first, let's do a little testy poo on the difference between using my iPhone mic versus incorporating the Shure mic. So here we go. All right, so here we are without the Shure mic. This is just the iPhone internal microphone. How do I sound? Do I sound better or worse? I already know the answer to this. All right, let's go back to the mic. All right, can you tell a difference? Because I certainly can. So when I started my YouTube channel, I knew that there were two things that make great video content. Number one, the visual, and number two, the audio. I'm currently filming on an iPhone 13 Pro and in cinematic mode. And I probably should be more head on toward the window because this is showing off a lot of weird, unflattering shadows. But I knew that I wanted the sound to be great. And, in some of my earlier videos, the sound is not that great because I'm not utilizing this microphone. So I found this because of a video posted by one of my favorite content creators. Her name is Latasha James. I will also link her channel down below. You should totally check her out if you're into content creation. She's amazing. And she loved this microphone. And it's so easy. It's so portable. My only gripe with this tripod is that it doesn't go up, it doesn't get any taller, but it's very compact and you can hold it like this and walk around, your amusement park of choice and do your vlog, or you can set it up and it's got the phone mount right with it. So it's really everything you need to start creating YouTube content or social media content in general, all in one cute little package. This retails for $249 on Amazon. It's Prime, which is my fave. Well worth every penny. It's a business write-off. That's how I look at things. I actually take this to travel. If I know I want to record a voiceover for one of these videos while I'm going to be out of town, I will just throw this in my suitcase and I record voiceovers on this. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly mic that you can do vlogging, voiceovers for these type of videos, or literally anything, this is probably the most inexpensive route that you could take for a high quality microphone. I should also mention that it does come with a cute little carrying case that you can like disassemble this whole thing and put them in their little slots and roll it up into a little canvas roll up. I just throw this in my bag, to be very honest with you. When I first got this, and I read the instructions for the first time in my life, it said to download the Shure microphone app. And within that, you can go into the app, you can record your videos, you can record your voiceovers through the app, and adjust the levels and all of the things that you'd want to do with, microphone. I did that for a little while. However, I like filming in cinematic mode because I like, the fancy bokeh effect. And I couldn't figure out a way to do that within the Shure Mic app. So now I could just plug and play. Like, it's so easy. I put it on whatever camera settings I want. I literally just plug this into my phone and I'm good to go. It's so simple, and for my life, I need to reduce the barrier to entry as much as humanly possible and make things as easy for myself as I can so that I will continue to, produce content and do all the things that I love doing. Because if it's just going to be a big to-do, like, I'm exhausted thinking about it. But this little guy is perfect and I love it and I use it all the time. So anyway, I hope that was helpful. If you've been on the fence or just thinking about the Shure MV88 Plus, I hope that this sheds some light on it. If you have any questions, anything that I forgot to cover, please ask them in the comments below. I really appreciate you watching. Again, the link for the microphone and the extra cable will all be linked below, along with Latasha's channel. She's amazing. And yeah, please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.